Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Today, we're tackling a common misconception in the used car market: why mileage should not be the sole factor when making a purchasing decision. If you're on the hunt for a pre-owned vehicle, stick around as we uncover the crucial considerations beyond just the odometer reading. When it comes to buying a used car, mileage has long been considered the ultimate indicator of a vehicle's value. After all, lower mileage often signifies less wear and tear, potentially leading to fewer maintenance issues down the road. But should it reign supreme as the deciding factor? In this video, we'll challenge the traditional significance of mileage in the used car market and explore whether it should truly be the determining factor when purchasing a pre-owned vehicle. We'll dive into the common assumptions about mileage, its impact on a car's performance and longevity, and whether other crucial factors deserve equal, if not more, consideration. By the end of this discussion, you'll have a clearer understanding of whether mileage should hold the weight it traditionally has in the used car purchasing process. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We continue to make very good videos for you. Understanding mileage in used cars. When it comes to purchasing a used car, understanding the role of mileage is crucial in determining the vehicle's value and potential longevity. Mileage serves as a significant factor in assessing a used car's condition, reliability, and potential future maintenance costs. The role of mileage in car valuation. Mileage directly impacts a used car's valuation. Generally, the lower the mileage, the higher the value of the vehicle. Lower mileage suggests less wear and tear on the engine, transmission, and other critical components. This often translates to a longer potential lifespan and fewer immediate or near-future repair and maintenance costs. On the other hand, higher mileage may indicate the need for more frequent and potentially costly repairs, which can significantly affect the car's overall value. Factors influencing mileage's impact. Several factors influence how mileage affects a used car's value. The make and model of the vehicle, as well as its maintenance history, can impact how mileage is perceived. Some vehicles are engineered to withstand higher mileage than others, especially those that are regularly serviced and well maintained. Additionally, driving conditions and habits play a role in how mileage affects a car. Stop-and-go city driving may wear out a vehicle's components more quickly than highway driving, even at the same mileage. Understanding these factors can help potential buyers make informed decisions when assessing the impact of mileage on a used car's value and potential long-term costs. The impact of technological advancements. With the rapid advancements in technology, the automotive industry has seen significant transformations in the design, performance, and efficiency of cars. These advancements have revolutionized the way cars are engineered, maintained, and manufactured. The evolution of car engines and maintenance. The evolution of car engines has been a driving force behind the improvement in fuel efficiency and performance. With the integration of modern technologies such as turbocharging, direct fuel injection, and hybrid powertrains, car engines have become more powerful and economical. These advancements have not only enhanced the driving experience but also contributed to reducing the environmental impact of vehicles. Moreover, the maintenance of modern cars has been streamlined through the integration of diagnostic systems and predictive maintenance technologies. These innovative features allow for proactive identification of potential issues, enabling timely maintenance and minimizing the risk of unexpected breakdowns. The effect of improved manufacturing and materials. Advancements in manufacturing processes and materials have led to the production of cars with higher quality, durability, and safety standards. The utilization of lightweight yet robust materials, such as carbon fiber and high-strength alloys, has resulted in vehicles that are not only more fuel efficient but also safer in the event of a collision. Furthermore, improved manufacturing techniques, including 3D printing and robotics, have optimized production processes, leading to higher precision, reduced waste, and overall cost efficiency. These advancements have ultimately contributed to the overall reliability and longevity of modern vehicles. The integration of technological advancements in the automotive industry has undoubtedly reshaped the landscape of car engineering, production, and maintenance, ultimately influencing the considerations when purchasing a used car. Looking beyond mileage. When purchasing a used car, looking beyond the mileage can provide valuable insights into the overall condition and history of the vehicle. Assessing the overall vehicle condition, considering maintenance and service history, and evaluating ownership and usage patterns are crucial factors in making an informed decision. Assessing overall vehicle condition. Assessing the overall condition of the vehicle involves visually inspecting the interior, exterior, and under the hood. Look for signs of wear and tear, such as worn upholstery, chipped paint, or rust. Additionally, pay attention to any unusual odors or noises during a test drive. A thorough inspection can reveal potential issues that may not be apparent from mileage alone. Considering maintenance and service history. Reviewing the maintenance and service history of the used car provides valuable insights into how the vehicle has been cared for. Service records, including regular oil changes, tire rotations, and other routine maintenance, can indicate whether the vehicle has been well maintained. It's also important to check for any major repairs or recurring issues that may affect the vehicle's reliability. Evaluating ownership and usage patterns. Evaluating ownership and usage patterns can shed light on how the vehicle has been driven and maintained. Multiple owners within a short period or irregular intervals between service records could indicate potential red flags. Understanding how the car has been used, whether it's been primarily used for short city commutes or long highway drives, can provide valuable context beyond just the mileage. Looking beyond mileage empowers prospective buyers to make a more informed decision when purchasing a used car, considering the overall condition, maintenance history, and ownership patterns. By taking a comprehensive approach to vehicle evaluation, buyers can confidently assess the true value and reliability of their potential purchase. The role of make, model, and year. When considering the purchase of a used car, it's crucial to look beyond just the mileage. The make, model, and year of the vehicle play significant roles in determining its overall reliability, longevity, and suitability for your needs. Let's delve into the important factors to consider when evaluating the impact of make, model, and year on a used car's value and performance. Understanding brand reliability and depreciation rates. Different car manufacturers have varying reputations for reliability and quality. Researching the historical reliability and depreciation rates of different brands can provide essential insights into the long-term cost of ownership. Some brands are known for retaining their value over time, while others may depreciate more quickly. Understanding these trends can help you make an informed decision about the potential resale value of a used car in the future. Examining model-specific longevity and durability. Within each brand, specific models may exhibit varying levels of longevity and durability. Some models are renowned for their robust engineering and ability to withstand high mileage, while others may be more prone to mechanical issues as they age. By researching the reliability ratings and common maintenance issues associated with specific models, you can gain a better understanding of the long-term viability of a used car. Considering the impact of model year on technology and safety features. The advancements in automotive technology and safety features evolve with each passing year. Newer model years often incorporate cutting-edge advancements in infotainment systems, driver assist technologies, and safety features. When considering the model year of a used car, it's essential to weigh the potential benefits of newer technology against the additional cost. Understanding the differences in features and safety standards across model years can help you prioritize which advancements are most important to you. In summary, the make, model, and year of a used car are pivotal factors to consider alongside mileage. By thoroughly researching the reputation of different brands, evaluating the longevity of specific models, and understanding the technological advancements across model years, you can make a well-informed decision when purchasing a used car. Utilizing vehicle history reports and inspections. When considering purchasing a used car, utilizing vehicle history reports and inspections are crucial to ensure the vehicle's condition and history. This section will explore the importance of comprehensive vehicle history reports and the value of pre-purchase inspections by trusted mechanics. The importance of comprehensive vehicle history reports. Comprehensive vehicle history reports provide a detailed overview of a car's background, including its accident history, ownership records, service and maintenance history, and title status. This information helps potential buyers make informed decisions about the vehicle's reliability and condition. By analyzing the vehicle history report, buyers can uncover potential red flags such as past accidents, odometer discrepancies, or title issues, enabling them to assess the overall value and potential risks associated with the purchase. The value of pre-purchase inspections by trusted mechanics. In addition to vehicle history reports, seeking pre-purchase inspections by trusted mechanics is a proactive approach to assessing a used car's mechanical and structural condition. These inspections involve a thorough assessment of the vehicle's engine, transmission, brakes, suspension, and overall structural integrity. A reliable mechanic can identify any existing issues, hidden damages, or signs of wear and tear that may not be apparent during a standard test drive. This insight provides buyers with an accurate understanding of the car's current state and potential future maintenance needs, offering peace of mind and preventing unexpected expenses down the road. By leveraging both comprehensive vehicle history reports and pre-purchase inspections, prospective buyers can gain a comprehensive understanding of a used car's history, condition, and overall value. These measures empower buyers to make confident and informed decisions when purchasing a used vehicle, mitigating the risks associated with undisclosed issues and ensuring a positive ownership experience. Making an informed decision when purchasing a used car. It's crucial to make an informed decision that goes beyond just considering the mileage. Factors such as the overall vehicle quality and usage play a significant role in determining the value and condition of the car. Additionally, long-term reliability and resale value are essential aspects that shouldn't be overlooked. Let's delve into these considerations to ensure you're well equipped to make the right choice. Balancing mileage with overall vehicle quality and usage. While mileage is a key indicator of a car's wear and tear, it's equally important to assess the overall quality of the vehicle. A well-maintained car with slightly higher mileage may prove to be a better investment than a lower mileage car with a history of poor maintenance. Consider how the car was used. Highway miles can be less taxing on a vehicle compared to city driving, which often involves more frequent stops and starts. When balancing mileage with overall quality, it's essential to inspect the vehicle's maintenance records, service history, and the general condition of crucial components such as the engine, transmission, and suspension. Considering long-term reliability and resale value. Looking beyond the present, it's wise to factor in the long-term reliability and potential resale value of the used car. Certain makes and models have a reputation for longevity and retain their value well over time. Research the reliability ratings of the car you're eyeing and consider how it tends to hold up after surpassing high mileage thresholds. Additionally, some cars have higher resale value due to their desirability in the used car market. Choosing a vehicle with a history of strong reliability and respectable resale value can bring peace of mind and potentially save you money in the long run. By carefully balancing mileage with overall vehicle quality, usage, long-term reliability, and resale value, you can make an informed decision when purchasing a used car. Remember, while mileage is a crucial factor, it's just one piece of the puzzle when evaluating the worth and potential of a pre-owned vehicle. In closing, when it comes to purchasing a used car, it's evident that mileage should not be the sole determining factor. We've explored the multifaceted nature of buying a pre-owned vehicle, emphasizing the pivotal role of various other considerations such as maintenance history, vehicle age, and overall condition. Buyers must conduct comprehensive evaluations, encompassing all aspects of the car's history and performance. By factoring in these additional elements, individuals can make informed decisions, ensuring that they procure a used car that aligns with their needs and preferences. With a broader perspective, buyers can confidently navigate the used car market, armed with the understanding that mileage is just one piece of the puzzle. And that's a wrap on why mileage isn't everything when buying a used car. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.